Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna continue working on the Silverado, and what I'm gonna be doing today is preparing the truck for paint. Also, before I'm gonna be painting, I'm gonna adjust the gaps between the door and the cab, between the door and the door, between the door and the fender. And I actually was surprised how many of you want to see how I adjust the gaps. I was actually really surprised how many people wants to see the process or what it takes. It takes a lot of patience, a lot of time, but we'll go through it. Also, let me show you a little update on the garage, what I did, because I decided not to record third episode. I don't know, it was too much. You did it a little bit here, then you drive in town, lost an hour or two, come back and you forgot something again. Because like I said, this is the first time I'm doing something like this. I did not know what I was doing. Now over here you can see the pipe comes out and it goes over there. I can shut it off here if I want to, and that's between compressor and here. This is another shut off valve that's gonna go here, and I'm gonna install filters over here, but that's gonna be later. But it was on the compressor previously, so I installed it here, right there, here, and that's where another hookup is gonna be. So this area over here mainly gonna be focused on the painting and prep, and also trucks can fit in here. Also in the future plans I have old-fashioned AC condition where the water runs through the some plastic filters or something, and it grabs the air from outside, it pushes inside the house. So that's how they used to cool down their houses. So I'm gonna revert that and gonna make it so it sucks out the air off of here, and I'm pretty sure it's powerful enough to do that. But for intakes, I'm planning to cut out the little windows over here, over there, maybe over there and over there, and then make some kind of nice plug here. Whenever I'm not using it, I can plug it and it's not gonna look ugly. But that's gonna be later, I don't know when. I have too many projects right now. Truck needs to be finished, BMW needs to be finished. By the way, still lots of questions what's going on with the BMW. I still haven't received the airbag. In order for me to continue on the BMW, I need the airbag. I mean, there's other stuff that I can do, but I feel like I'm gonna bump to something and I'm not gonna be able to do the other. So I'm collecting all the parts that I can, making plan, so at least can make 3-4 videos for you. Jetta, little screwed up there too. I don't want to fix the hood, I don't want to do the body work on it. Honestly, I don't like bundle hoods because thin metal, huge platform, vibrations. So I'd rather give it to Dent Repair so he can fix it. So I'm waiting on him. Hopefully in a couple days I'll get the hood back. So that's why I decided to continue on the Silverado. So let's get it inside here. Let's start with the gaps and then go from there. Okay, got the truck back in the garage, and since we don't have gaps anywhere and we need to go off of something, I'm thinking I will go off of this. I'll put it up the gaps here and then move my way here. Also, I need to adjust so the gaps over here and over here same. So, you know, pick it up a little or something. Man, it's gonna be a lot of pain, but it needs to be done while it's not painted. So if you get damage right now, something right now, you can fix it. But when it's paint and you adjusting, you can easily damage something. So let's start with this door. See how everything gonna come out with this door and the fender. If nothing gonna work out, change the plan. Okay, this side is completely done with the body lines. Check this out. And over here, same thing. Through here, and through here. One thing I've been taught by my friend how to adjust the gaps. First thing is have a T25. I like gaps on a T25. They're not too big and they're not too small. T25, you can see, fits right in snug. Fits right in snug. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing there, everywhere. Basically, if you have all the nuts, all the bolts loose, it's gonna be super hard for you to install it. First of all, you need to make sure the striker is in the middle and see how much body lines matching. And then in my situation, I'll lose this bolts a little so I can feel it. It's holding the door, its weight, but it's not so loose where it can just fall off. Same thing with that. And what I like to do, I like to use either 2x4 or any other like this ones or similar to that or other hammer. Make sure if you don't want to chip the paint, use something at the end so it won't chip the paint. And you basically, if you need to raise up, you lose this slightly bolt and then you hammer it up, check it. If you need to just go like that, you just lose this slightly, this one tighter and this one slightly less tighter. Push this, it will bring up. Same thing over here, you lose. See, over here, paint a little bit chip off, but I'll touch it up and it won't be noticeable. These brackets, I mean, Chevys, they're super easy to work with, GM in general. This one, you lose all this three, you lose that, over here. And you're just basically adjusting everything and trying to do your best. So the lines are actually the same. They won't be perfectly like millimeter in a millimeter, but you won't notice it with the naked eye. Situation like over here, you see this is a little bit lower than this. That's because of this bracket. That's the bracket that I showed you, the black one. So it's far enough back. I know that because of the gaps. It's far enough back. What I need to do now, loose all those bolts everywhere and bring this bracket up in order to bring the hood up. But I will leave that for later. Right now, what I wanted to do is finish with these gaps over here and then work with the front end. This side, I'm just gonna do off camera. You guys saw that there. I explained it to you. I'm gonna get it done and we'll continue with the front end. There you go. I'm done with this side also. Check this out. Looks beautiful. Only one thing, and also I noticed a lot of you guys commenting about this damage over here. I actually already fixed it. So the reason I didn't fix it when I was fixing this door is because I didn't have a gap here and I did not want to damage anything. So first I made a gap, I have access, and then I made it, bit it out so I can apply a glazing putty here and be good to go. And I believe there's one more thing over here. With the hood, you can see there's no gap at all, and over here it's terrible. And I'm thinking reason for that is because this is the original hinges. I should go and buy 2 new hinges and go off of that. But this won't stop me to continue working on the truck. So what needs to be done right now is that door needs to disassemble completely. And I found a couple dings on it. I need to take care of it, see if I can send them out If not, then apply a glazing putty and of course primer after that. This door is complete. The fender is not going to be a problem to prepare. The hood, the other door glazing putty, and rear door is also complete. So let's disassemble this door over here, front door over there, and rear door over there. Completely disassemble, and let's start preparing for paint. That's the plan. Let's just continue grinding. That's it, this side disassembled. This is 3 areas they need to address. Same thing on this side over here. I totally missed this piece over here, and I found another one over here, and that's it on this door. So these 2 areas needs to be addressed on this side, and we can start preparing everything for the paint. I'm gonna sand this with 150. See how much deepness I still have. If the primer won't cover it, I will apply a little bit of the body filler, what is it? Body filler number 2, whatever, glazing putty, Delphin finishing body filler. Oh, I believe that's what it's called. So over here, over there, and 3 over there. So, and then of course primer and all that. While body filler is curing, I'm gonna start preparing this door. 400 on a DA with the soft pad. This is soft pad, goes in between DA and the sandpaper. 400, and we'll go through a back door, front door, fender, hood, and other side. That will save me time on preparing everything for a paint. I'm done DAing a whole truck with the 400 grit. Man, this Milwaukee DA, something else. I love it. You guys saw I started with the air one, but since compressor outside right now and it's cold outside, it pumps a lot of moisture. So the DA gets cold and gets clogged up with the moisture. So it's a kind of ice buildup to it. So it gets clogged up. So I was able to do this side, and over here I switched to this one because I purchased. I made a huge purchase a few days ago at Home Depot. $6,000 on Milwaukee tools. I was actually upgrading my business tools, but I'm like, this is something cool I want to purchase, and a few things I purchased for my shop. Let's just show you what I opened and what I need to open. Yep. Chainsaw for myself, table saw and chop saw for myself. I mean working stuff at home. There's a whole lot of stuff, but I really impressed with this Milwaukee DA. It's done. Right now what I wanted to do is mask off these areas over here, apply a primer, and while the primer is gonna be curing, I'm gonna start sanding 600 over here, 600 on other side, and by the time I'll be finished, this will be drying out what I can sand. It says on the can ready to send after 1 hour. So, and plus, I mean, if it's not gonna be ready, I still have plenty to do. It's like over here with the ridge Scotch Brights here and there. Still plenty of work needs to be done in order to prepare for paint. So let's just continue knocking everything possible down. Also, let's prime. There you go, I'm done preparing this truck to paint completely. Man, this is a really good feeling. I thought I'm gonna be sitting on it at least 3 days to prepare it. I remember how I prepared the Ford and the Ram when I painted. It took forever, but with that Milwaukee, not the grinder, what is it called? Oh gosh. This thing with it was a big help. Hey, I made my goal happen, and truck is prepared to be painted. Next episode we're gonna be cleaning everything, masking and painting. Of course BMW gonna get off of here. Super tired, super late, Sunday, tomorrow early in the morning. I'm done here, wrapping this episode right here. Thank you guys for stopping by. Like this video, comment down below anything you want to see inside Scoopy for YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.